News coming in that Indian athletes' practice sessions in Incheon have taken a massive hit following cost cutting from the ministry. Indian athletes have delayed the departure, and this has led to players missing out on training sessions in Incheon. Now, as many as 7 training sessions have been cancelled, making the challenge even more tougher for the team to acclimatize to the conditions in Incheon. Well, this information coming in just days after reports of unhygienic conditions in the training camp for our athletes in the capital. Now news coming in that at the back of cost cutting, we're looking at Indian athletes' departure being delayed. Now this has led to the players missing out on some key training sessions, and even more importantly, we're looking at them not getting an opportunity to acclimatize to the conditions in Incheon. Let's go across to Anand at this point. Anand, this information, of course, coming at a time when just days ago there was talk over the kind of conditions that were present at the Asia training camp in the capital.
Yes, there are multiple factors that come into play here. Now, most importantly is all our medal hopes. It's a very pruned down squad that is going to the Asian Games in the first place. 2, because of the lot of issues with AIBA in terms of boxing, with hockey, in all these cases, their preparation time has also been a huge question mark. And now, with practice sessions being cancelled and all of the slots being taken up by other participating nations, it's going to be all the more a big worry, because a lot of the athletes across multiple disciplines are perhaps going to end up into the main playing arena and into the big testing times without having enough practice and also acclimatization, which is going to be a big issue. Rohan Deshmukh joins us with more on that. Rohan, what's the scenario down on ground? Have you been able to catch up with any of the athletes at the Games Village there? What are they saying about the practice, lack of practice and training facilities?
Well, in fact, most of the athletes who were supposed to come here and practice have not landed. We know that the boxers were scheduled to practice at 2 p.m. today, but they didn't take the flight from New Delhi. So they're expected to be here on a Friday. Now, what we do know is that majority of the contingent will be here just before the opening ceremony, which is like at 6 p.m. tomorrow local time.
So is that also because of this 5-day caveat which has been put that you cannot stay more than 5 days before your event commences? Now, how is this going to affect their training and their acclimatization?
Well, most of the athletes are shocked by this particular diktat by the sports ministry. In fact, we spoke to them on the sidelines of flag hoisting ceremony, which took place some time back, and they said that it was not really expected for the sports ministry to give such a diktat that 5 days before we have to leave, and it came at a very short notice, simply disturbing the entire schedule, because a few of the teams were here quite early, in fact 10 days before the games began, but those athletes were quite lucky enough to have the federations fund the entire trip. But there are quite a few athletes who are in fact a bit disturbed by the fact that they're just landing 5 days before. And if you look at the boxers situation very clearly, then they have their first event on the 23rd, and they're landing on the 19th. So they're missing crucial practice. They have absolutely no training time left here in Incheon, and they'll be in fact going straight away into the tournament without any practice under the belt, no acclimatization time over here.
No, but why?